Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you another important questions. I'm going to give you 2 marks in the UPSC Prelims Examination 2024. Guys, you all know that refugee camps is an important theme in the UPSC Prelims, particularly in the IR section. You see, recently UPSC in 2022 has asked questions on refugee camp. With conflicts rising throughout the world, the number of people who are getting displaced and the new refugee camps coming up are increasing in number. Even throughout the world, there has been concern about the safety and security of these refugees. So you can see already in 2022, UPSC has asked question on BD refugee camp, and you can see another question on Dadaab refugee camp. Already in 2009 also you can see UPSC has asked question on Dadaab refugee camp. So in this video I'm going to give you all important refugee camp in a very scientific manner so that you are not going to forget it till the prelims examination. Guys, you can see entire refugee camps which are in news. I have created a table format so that you are easily able to remember. Guys, you can see this year Palestine refugee camps are in news, and another refugee camps which are in news are the Rohingyas refugee camp, Palestine refugee camp and the Rohingyas refugee camp. So guys, let us see the refugee camps and the countries where they are located. You can see the first refugee camp, which is one of the largest or biggest refugee camps in the world, is Kutupalong refugee camp. Kutupalong refugee camp is in Cox's Bazar of Bangladesh, which basically hosts Rohingya refugees. Rohingya refugees. This is very, very important. I'm expecting a question on Rohingya refugees this year. Okay, next, BD refugee camp. Already UPSC has asked. It is in Uganda. It basically hosts Sudan refugees. Next, we have the Dadaab refugee camp and Kakuma refugee camp in Kenya. Again, you can see it hosts refugees from Somalia, Sudan, Ethiopia. Next, we have the Arjak and Jatari refugee camp in Jordan, which have refugees from Syria. Then we have here you can see Naduta, which is in Tanzania, which has refugees from Democratic Republic of Congo. Then we have here Al Bare and Seder refugee camp in Ethiopia, which has refugees from Sudan. Again, you can see here we have refugee camp Jalozai in Pakistan, who have refugees from Afghanistan. Now, this is the most important refugee camps this year. You can see Beach Camp, Burij Camp, Dar el Bala, Jabalia Camp, Khan Yunis Camp, Magzaiji Camp, Nusrat Camp, and Rafah Camp. These are refugee camps in Gaza Strip. These are refugee camps in Gaza Strip. Definitely, you can expect question from Rafah, Nusrat Camp, Magzazi Camp, Khan Yunis Camp, Dar el Bala Camp, Buriz Camp, and Beach Camp. Very, very important. All these are hosting Palestinian refugees. Guys, Palestine conflict is a very important topic for this year's prelims examination. Please do prepare it. Again, guys, you can see here N. El Hilwe, Lebanon. This was a Palestinian refugee camp. This is in news. Okay, Ain El Hilwe. Then we have the Mech camp in Chad. Then we have the Rabuka, Rakuba in Sudan, which is basically hosting refugees from the Tigray region of Ethiopia. So guys, last year UPSC has asked 2023 Tigray region. Tigray region is seeing a lot of conflicts and hunger. So a lot of refugees from Tigray region are taking refuge in Rakuba refugee camp in Sudan. So guys, I personally feel that you may get questions from Sudan refugee camps or the Gaza refugee camps or the Rohingya refugee camps. Again, you can see here there is one more refugee camp called Yormuk. Yormuk in Damascus. Yormuk in Damascus, which is one of the largest Palestinian refugee camps. Yormuk. Okay. So guys, like this, I have prepared this very unique way of revising content. These cards will help you in the last 1 week to revise all important stuff. Guys, last year, at least 30 to 40 questions came directly from my predictions. This year also, I am giving important questions on these topics. Please do attempt them. These are going to help you. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.